Welcome to this first look at Apple's upcoming iPhones in 2018. We've received some high quality replicas of two of the three iPhones soon to be announced by Apple, with the third being exactly the same dimensions as the current iPhone X, so for the comparison today we'll be using an iPhone X to replicate the third iPhone in the 2018 range. So while the naming conventions are up in the air at present, we believe the new iPhones to be called the following, with the largest of the three to be dubbed the iPhone XS Plus. The second iPhone in the 2018 range being called simply iPhone, and finally the third being the iPhone XS. This naming strategy might seem a little strange on the face of it, with the second largest device being simply called iPhone. However, Apple have previous with this strategy as they recently called their entry-level iPad the new iPad. The iPhone XS Plus will certainly be the hero out of the three, with this being Apple's largest ever iPhone, coming with a whopping 6.5-inch Oled display. While the simply named iPhone comes with an also large display at 6.1 inch, a screen size that is larger than the current iPhone X model and soon to be released XS, the screen will be a much cheaper LCD model that means Apple can offer this device at a more budget price point. Finally, we move on to the iPhone XS, which will feature the same overall dimensions and the same 5.8 inch screen size as the iPhone X. Similarly to the XS Plus, the XS will also have an OLED display and thus be considered another hero device in Apple's latest range. The hints that the 6.1 inch iPhone will be a budget option from the range are further backed up by the singular rear camera, whereas the iPhone XS Plus and XS will come with a dual camera setup as we've seen with the current iPhone X model. Unfortunately, that does also mean that there will be no triple camera setup, as had been seen with many rumours for the upcoming iPhone XS Plus. There had also been some rumours that the newer iPhones would come with thinner bezels, however the dummy units received here today suggest that the bezels won't change significantly at all. In terms of ports and functionality, everything else remains exactly the same, with all three models coming with lightning ports, the standard volume, silent switch, power button and SIM cards all in their usual location. I hope you've enjoyed this quick look at Apple's soon to be released latest devices. Let me know what you think the upcoming